show you the mile per hour with 373 gears and a 14 Mustang with a 3.7 V6 for those wondering. So, well, let me put it in sports so I can keep it 6. Oh shit, wrong way. Because with the way it's tuned, I don't think it'll hit 6 till a later speed, so. They're at about 40, about 1250. Is going to be about 1900, it looks like. 1859. 60's about 2000. And then I can tell you, I'm trying to get up to it here. 80, you're running about 2600. There you go. So, if you're curious like me and couldn't find a video what RPMs you would be at with 373s, there's your answer. Also, worth noting, if you're curious like I was, with the stock 273s, if it theoretically, if it had enough power, which would take a lot of power, it's geared to about 335 miles an hour, redlined in 6. Now with the 373s, it's geared to about 220, redline in 6. Redline in 5th is going to be about 170 at about 6,900 to 7,000 RPM. So really that's perfect size gear for trying to get up to 155, 160 and whatnot. If you want to see more of the car, check out the Mustang playlist on the channel. Got a cold air intake, aluminum one-piece drive shaft that's 93 tuned from MPT water pump pulley, and of course the 373 gears. And then next year I'm hoping to supercharge. So if you want to see more of it, just check out the Mustang playlist. And I'm still going to be posting several more videos this year. I'm still planning some cool videos and such I haven't done yet, burnouts, whatnot. Thanks for watching.